Hey everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful Excel tools. Today, I'm excited to introduce our USPS address validation tool, designed to help you cleanse, validate, and format addresses directly within Excel. Whether you're dealing with incomplete, misspelled, or messy data, this tool ensures your addresses are standardized and USPS compliant, making it ideal for mailing, logistics, and data management. Plus, it's not just for U.S. addresses. This tool works for addresses worldwide, making it a valuable solution for businesses operating internationally. Because all of our tools are built in Excel, there's nothing to install. Just open the spreadsheet and start validating your list of addresses. This tool's integrated with the Google Maps API, so you'll need to create a Google API key for it to work. Don't worry, we have a video guide to walk you through the process. It's free to create and takes only 5 minutes. This tool seamlessly verifies addresses in bulk, whether you're processing 10 or 10,000 entries. To use this tool, simply paste your list of addresses into the designated column. Click the Run button, and within seconds, the software cleans and formats each entry like magic. You'll get both a fully formatted address in a single cell and a breakdown into separate fields: street, city, state, zip code, and country. Need latitude and longitude? That's included too, making this tool perfect for mapping and analytics. For over 16 years, we've helped more than 7,500 customers streamline workflows with our Excel tools. Every week, we receive emails of appreciation from businesses and professionals who rely on our solutions to save hours of manual work and improve accuracy. Don't just take our word for it. Check out our Google reviews to see real feedback from satisfied users. This feedback speaks volumes about how effective and useful our tools are. These reviews keep us motivated to continue improving and creating more tools. If you need this tool, download it using the link in the description. If you have any questions or need customization, Vinny the Mastermind is ready to assist via phone, email, or live chat. No automated systems like bots or answering machines. Just real support when you need it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials and tools. See you in the next video.